Hi guys, this is April from Wildflower Crossing in Albion. Just wanted to get on here and show you one of our beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath homes we have move-in ready. Looking into the kitchen, we have this gigantic island. Nice storage underneath. What I love about our homes is our cabinets are nice and deep. Look at that. Looking through here, we have a nice big pantry. We like to call our kitchens the chef kitchen. Check that out. You have all this storage space and all this counter space. And the beautiful living room we have here. Moving into the primary bedroom. Look at that closet in the primary bedroom. Holy cow. Some extra storage leading into the primary bathroom. Nice porcelain sinks. Nice walk-in shower. We're gonna head through the home and we're gonna check out the other side. We have a split floor plan in our homes. So the primary bathroom and bedroom are on one side and the additional bathroom and bedrooms are on the other. Another nice size additional room with walk-in closet. Shared bathroom, beautiful porcelain sinks. All right, now through this hallway, we have the mudroom / washer dryer hookup. Our dryers are gas or electric. And in the mudroom, we have some extra storage. Let me know what you guys think. We're located at Wildflower Crossing in Albion, Michigan. The address is 1568 Meadowview Drive. See you soon.